So, I mean, see, SIL3 is, very big rating. So let us go for the PNID again. We are saying that this PAH will happen because of blocked outlet case. And if there is a blocked outlet case, you have got FAL. FAL is not there, so we cannot take credit. PAL, but as Ananta and team is saying,
Dilshad, here, in case of blocked outlet, then it is the pipeline rupture. The pump discharge pressure is higher than the design pressure of the pipe.
Sorry, what you're saying?
In the case of the downstream any closure, yeah, common MOV closure, then it is mentioned as the piping or pipeline rupture itself, piping rupture. If the pump maximum discharge pressure is higher than the design pressure of the piping?
No, I think it is some portion is designed for which one, which blockage is there?
For this pump, shut-off pressure is higher than piping design.
Which
shut-off pressure is higher than the pump piping
Right.
design
This
pressure.
is the one a common one. We put some 3 pressure transmitters or something.
For that we have.
So it is not considered.
If the 3 pressure transmitter is there, then we can see it. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think this can be the common failure, not the So there is I think last time we discussed, I think
The scenario now is any blocked outlet.
common one.
The common.
Yeah.
If it's the common, we have portion low pressure. So we add voting pressure.
Yeah. So that we added.
Yeah.
So that is not considered or?
Right now not considered. Where we have added, can you?
Yes.
Because in the HAZOP. Can you show it?
so, yeah, in the HAZOP, if you, I will definitely come back to you. Okay, let me share you. If you see the HAZOP, HAZOP has considered only this safeguard in case of downstream blockage is there.
Yes.
So this is the cause.
This may be the IPS blockage or BVS blockage, Dilshad.
Yes. So in this case, we are saying
There was
only,
a recommendation also, na, for a higher pressure trip.
no, the higher pressure we are saying, but you are discussing that this is not independent because the motor is same. On high pressure, this will say high pressure and this will treat the same pump. And we have already considered the 70% flow. At 70% flow, the pump will take.
That one, the one which is in the common, I think it is causing ESD.
Yeah. So there are
The one which is in the common, not only tripping the pump, it is causing.
Can you show that?
The complete facility trip, huh?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yes.
That one.
We have added 2 out of 3.
In the existing in the pumps, this and header.
Which is causing ESD, not only trip of the pump. It is.
Okay, causing ESD is okay. So in this case, I mean, Ananta, what it's saying.
Mr. Chairman, please.
Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen now.
So guys, I mean, as per the current discussion, if 70% flow is creating ESD2, and if high pressure happens,
EST2 means they will cut off all the power supply.
Yeah, all the power supply. Yes. Yes.
Now
In that case, that may be different than this pump.
Then this is independent. Yes, independent. We'll make it.
This is coming from the existing header of the MDS. We have here in the header in the charge voting high pressure 2 out of 3.
So what is the action of this one? What is the action of this?
The BCD make a total plant shutdown.
Total plant shutdown. Okay. We can take this, Chairman.
That is independent. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
So what we can do, I will take this PSAH 101104.
But the problem in this section, if the MOV is here, this shutdown valve is closed. This upstream line will be related to high pressure was not designed to the.
But for that we have added in the section line.
Yes.
Where is the pipe? No, the rupture, the spec breakage after this MOV, right? 900 and 600.
Yes.
So I think up to 900, it will withstand the pump maximum shut-off pressure.
No. After calculation, the pressure will exceed the 900.
Okay.
When because the shut-off pressure of the existing pump is more than 900.
Okay. So guys, I mean, please bear with me. I just want to, I mean, refresh it. See, I mean, on 70% flow, it will trip entire system EST2. And on high pressure on individual pump, this will trip the individual pump. So these are two independent function and independent safeguards. So I have taken credit of SIS1 for this case also, considering that this is SIL2. Now again, this is the last opportunity for me to convince you. You still agree that operator is going to be there more than 10% of time?
No, first look at into the whole picture. On the pump section, we have added 2 out of 3 booting weekly trip in order to avoid the scenario of shut-off pressure